Greetings, dear subscribers. Today, we will delve deeply into the magical ritual known as the fiery prayer. This ritual is designed to cleanse the body and soul from negative energy. The fiery prayer is recommended for moments when you need to rid yourself of negative energy, cleanse your inner world, or shield yourself from external influences. It's ideal after a challenging day, when feeling emotionally burdened, or when you aim to create an energetic barrier around yourself. Before embarking on the fiery prayer, it's crucial to create a serene atmosphere. Find a cozy, undisturbed space. Light candles around you, forming a circle of light and warmth. Consider lighting a red candle, symbolizing fire, passion, and strength, not merely an accessory but a conduit for transmitting your energy and intentions beyond the visible. Take a few deep breaths to distance yourself from daily concerns. As you begin the prayer, visualize each word filling you with light and warmth. Focus on the power of fire, imagining it cleansing your body and soul of all negativity. Allow the energy of the prayer to permeate every aspect of your being. Speak the following words 9 times, immersing yourself in each word and feeling your energy merging with the magic of fire. Flaming with fire, a true candle. My word is heard. It removes from the body. It removes from the soul. All evil flees from the fire. These words penetrate every cell of your being, purifying it from negativity and dark energies. After completing the prayer, let the candle burn out, warming your hands over it. Feel the warmth of the fire enveloping you, bringing a sense of tranquility. Allow yourself to savor the moment and express gratitude for the cleansing. Slowly return to everyday reality while retaining a sense of protection and peace. Following the fiery prayer, you'll feel lightness and freshness. Negative energy will be lifted, and your inner state will be transformed. You'll sense the magical energy of the prayer creating a protective barrier around you, guarding against external influences. Your spirit will be uplifted, and you'll find inner peace. Dear friends, thank you for participating in this special fiery prayer ritual. We hope each uttered word touched your hearts and brought the magic of purification. In conclusion, we emphasize the importance of regular spiritual cleansing. Fire is a symbol of purity and transformation, and your candle has become a bridge between your inner world and the magical realm of prayer. Allow yourself to relish the tranquility you've created around you. May the energy of fire dwell within you, shielding you from negativity and filling you with strength and light. Maintain your connection with the spiritual realm, and remember, you are the creator of your destiny. With the blessing of the fiery prayer, may your path be illuminated and protected. Thank you for your dedication and the energy you invested in this ritual. May each day be filled with light and harmony. Until our next meeting on the channel, where each of you is a true magician crafting your destiny.